The Camel and the Cat. A tall camel named Cammy lived in a big, hot desert. One day, she met a small cat named Kit. Kit was tired and asked, "Cammy, can you help me cross the desert? My paws are too small, and the sand is too hot." Cammy smiled and said, "Sure, Kit. Hop on my back." Kit climbed onto Cammy's back, and they started walking. As they traveled, Kit said, "Cammy, you are so strong and tall." Cammy replied, "Thank you, Kit. I need to be strong to live in the desert." Kit thought and said, "I may be small, but I can climb trees. We all have our strengths." Cammy nodded and said, "You're right, Kit. We are all special in our own way." When they reached the other side, Kit thanked Cammy. Cammy smiled and said, "We helped each other. That's what friends do." Moral: everyone has something special to offer, and friends help each other.